This is a 1997 Expedition with the 5.4 Triton 2-valve. It was built in May 1997, so that may have changed over the life of this year. But in this case, as it relates to the coolant sensors and the engine temperature sensors, there is the ECT, which is right here. It's the engine coolant temperature sensor, and I'll post a picture of that. And then this one is the cylinder head temperature. So this is the CHT sensor, and this one is the ECT sensor. So this sensor was hard to get off because the manual says you have to take the intake manifold out. So what we did was we popped this off and we broke the clip end off so that we could get a socket over it. That was hard to get back in. We made this special tool, which is literally just cutting the end of a socket off, and then so that could slide over. And then we took a vice grip wrench and just tightened it as much as we could, which wasn't super tight, but the other one came out pretty easily. I would recommend, if you could, probably make a tool like this and then like weld a flange on that you could grip better. But yeah, that's it. So this is the ECT and this is the CHT, cylinder head temperature sensor, engine coolant temperature sensor, and I'll post pictures of both of those because those were confusing.